Brother, nowadays you must have noticed one thing, that every second person comes on the internet and wants to double his money. Everyone wants a shortcut that can double the money in 2 days. I have got a scheme to double the money in 25 days. Double the money in 25 days. All this looks good in films, but in reality people become rich not by shortcuts but by smart investments and businesses. Am I right? Answer comment. Now look at the big stars of Bollywood like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar, Twinkle Connor, and many more stars. Do they have any shortage of money? But still, apart from movies, they are also operating their own businesses. So everyone knows that the money is in business. The purpose of telling this story is that you too should not be dependent on one job, do not be dependent on one income source. Make sure to create a passive income source for yourself. This is my friend 2022. I used to work. It was a good job, but at that time the company was firing most of the employees. He knew that if he remained dependent on the job, then a day would definitely come when the company would call him and throw him out. At that time he made his secondary source of income by starting drop shipping. Now you will think, brother, what is new in this? Everyone does drop shipping, so listen carefully. There was nothing new in drop shipping, it was new, so strategy was such a tool that made him earn a lot of money. Now I will tell you further which tool can make you taste success in drop shipping. Let me tell you the secret. If you want to succeed, then first know what kind of challenges you will have to face and how to deal with those challenges. If you already have this plan ready, then no one can stop you from being successful. So brother, let us first understand what kind of challenges come in dropshipping. The first challenge is how to create your store. This step becomes very complicated. For beginners, how to create your own dropshipping store. Coding, designing, integration, all this becomes a headache. The second challenge is to link the store with the shipping. There are technical steps which not everyone understands. Sometimes even a small mistake creates a problem. And the biggest challenge is to find a winning product. Now finding high demand and low competition products is not an easy task. It takes research day and night. Still, there is no guarantee that the product you have selected will sell or not. No, there is only one solution to all these challenges. The work that takes you weeks to complete can be completed in 2 minutes with Spot. So what does Spot offer you? Creating a number one store is very easy. With the AI power tool of this pocket, you can create a professional store within 1 minute. And yes, you will not need any kind of technical skill. AI will manage everything. Number 2, you have more than 5 lakh trusted US and Europe-based suppliers on this pocket who provide high quality and fast shipping services. Normally yours will be delivered within 7 to 15 days. The product is also delivered to the customer. Now if there is fast shipping, then there will be less returns, and this is a big reason for being successful in drop shipping. So let me show you practically how you can create your account on Pocket. How to create a store, how to find winning products, etc. Now to start international drop shipping, first you have to create your account on Pocket platform. So simply open the web browser. You will find this link in the description of the video. By putting this link in your browser and pressing enter, you will reach Pocket's home page. Now here there is a button to start 14 days free trial. Simply click on it and a pop-up like this will appear in front of us. What is written here? Let our AI build a shipping store with trending products for just $199 at a price of less than $2. It will also set up a shop store for you, plus it will add trending products to it. Trending products mean products that have a high chance of selling. Dollar is not a very big amount. In Indian currency it is approximately 1 Indian rupee. Dropshipping is a business and every business demands a little investment. No business can run without investment. So, we will quickly click on Grab Your Store today. We have to choose a plan. This plan offers us for plans. There is a starter plan, Pro plan, Empire, and Unicorn. We are just starting out, so I would recommend you to go with the starter plan. It is the cheapest plan. You can add 25 unique products to your store. You will get branded invoicing and 24/7 support. Then as your business grows, you can upgrade your plan. $999 will not be deducted now. Only $199 will be deducted from you now 14. If you continue after 14 days, then this amount will be deducted. If you do not continue, then within 14 days you can cancel your plan if you want. If drop shipping is not working for you, then you can use this platform for 14 days. For now I will choose the starter plan here. If you have a plan, then we will click on with my monthly plan. Now this kind of pop-up will come in front of you. What is the first step written in it? We are preparing your Shopify store. This means that now this Pocket is setting up a Shopify store for us. In the meantime, customize your store in 4 easy steps. So 4 steps are going to come in front of us, with the help of which we can customize our Shopify store. We will click on Get Started. First of all, what is it asking? Choose store's color scheme. Meaning, what is the color scheme of the store going to be like? We will keep it neutral here. Let's click on Continue. After this, what category do you want to sell? In which category of products do you want to sell on your website with the help of dropshipping? Do you want to sell women's clothing, tech accessories, bath and beauty, or pick for me based on what's trending? That means choose for me what is already trending and list it on my website. Then according to me, this is going to be the best option. This Pocket will decide itself that which products are trending and that will be sold on your website. We can also do this. Well, this totally depends on the targeting location of our advertisement, so we will leave it globally. Let's click on Continue again. Okay, you have successfully customized your store. Our store will now be customized according to our input. Now there are 3 things we have to check here. You will receive an email from Shop to confirm your account. We must have received an email from Shop. We have to confirm our account. So, I will simply open my first email in a new tab. I have received 5 emails. Let's simply open the first email from Spot. Okay, I have to verify my account with Spot. We will simply click here to verify. And our Shop account has been verified. Let's move ahead. What is the second email? We have another one from support. Congratulations, you are just 1 step away. So, what is written here? Reset password. You will receive an email from Shopify containing instructions. Reset the password means we are going to receive an email from Shopify in which we have to reset our password. This is a security alert. I will delete it. Now I have received 2 emails from Shopify. One is this one. Let's open it. Here is a mail from Shopify. Your Shopify sender email was changed to whatever my email address is. Well, we will ignore this. Now 2 more emails have come. One is again from Shopify. I have to verify my email address. Simply click on Verify Email. Whatever email account we used to sign up with Shopify, we will put that email address here. After that, click on Continue with Email. We have to fill up this form. Okay. Now create Shopify account. We will click on it and see our Shopify account has been created. Now sometimes it happens due to any technical issue or internet glitch like this. The page of unauthorized access will come up. You don't need to worry. Pocket will do all the work for us. So for now, let's do one thing. We have received our Gmail emails. One is verified and Jubilee account. I have no idea from whom this has come. Let's go back. Here is another email from Shopify. So we confirm our email address as well. Our email account has been successfully verified. Now we have to come back to the home page of Spot. For now we will close all the other tabs. Well, one more thing, when you verify all these things, then the Pocket team takes about 1 hour to set up your Shopify store according to your inputs. So we have to wait for some time. After completing this whole process, we will close all the other tabs. Now this is our store. Pocket has a dashboard which has been set up properly. First of all, look at the left-hand side. US EU products means you can see the most trending products in US and Europe here. I had already told you that you can find out trending products in this Pocket with the help of which you can also get a winning product. So here there are products related to many categories like jewelry and watches. If you want to sell related products with drop shipping, then you will click on this. If you want to do drop shipping of products related to tech accessories category, then you have to choose this category and you will find many more trending products here. Like this product will be very trending in US and Europe market. Its name is by Pious Passes, meaning it is a supplier. There is a profile created with the name Pious Passes on this pocket. This is a supplier who will provide this product. And where is this supplier from? He is a US-based supplier. The listing cost is $8, which means if you do drop shipping of this product, then you have to pay $8 to this supplier and you can easily earn $19.80. If you can sell this product for around $11, then you can make a profit on the sale. After that, if we check the shipping rates here, we will click. If you do drop shipping in the US, then the shipping cost will be $10 and delivery is done within 1 to 3 days. Similarly, in Canada, the shipping cost will be $17. Delivery will be done within 4 to 7 days. Same for UK and same for Australia. By clicking on Show Shipping Details, you can also check the shipping rates of other countries. Now, suppose you want to check all the details of this product, then how do you check it? First, you click on this, a separate page will open in front of you. You will be able to see all the things. Here you can also chat directly with the supplier. The supplier is from the US. This is the title of the product. This is the profile name of the supplier. This is the listing price. For this much you can sell it on your store, and what is this import list, etc. I will explain it to you later. You can also check the variations of the product by clicking on this button. So currently there is only one variation of this product and its listing price is $8. It takes 1 day to process. That means if you have placed an order with the sub-buyer, then the processing time is 1 day. If we talk about the US, then delivery of one product is done within 1 to 3 days. If you get the delivery done, then $10 will be charged. If you add additional products, then $5 shipping charge will be taken from you as per the product. Similarly, the shipping price is $17 worldwide, and for additional products, you will have to pay $10 per product. Payment has to be made. The supplier accepts credit card payment and the return policy is also mentioned here. This is the image of the product. These are its variations. That means the images, etc., the description of the product has been done. Now let's go to the left-hand side again. What does it mean? The products which are very popular on the app website and have high chances of selling, you can see them here. The supplier cost on this app means the cost price of any product is very low and you can sell your product at a higher margin. Like this is a product. Its listing cost is $14.12, but you can sell it for $15.53 or as much as you want. You can set the price according to your requirement. So many orders have been received so far, and this particular product has a rating of 4.9 stars. Similar to this, you can see all the other products here. So look at this pocket. You get to see very creative types of products, like this light product here looks quite good, isn't it? Wireless LED night vision motion, or this is a THV fan air conditioner, etc. Then after we go to winning products. Now to check the winning products, you have to upgrade your plan. If I click on unlock this page, then you have to take any upper plan like Empire plan or Unicorn plan, because in the starter plan you cannot check the winning products. Winning products is basically a section where you can see the most selling products, which have very high chances of being sold, but there are also trending products. You can definitely find out a winning product by testing the trending products. Now we go to the import list. List. What happens when we set up our Shopify store on Spocket? The setup that came through the wizard, we did it for $99. So it was written there that the shop store will be set up from this pocket, plus trending products will also be added to your store. So here 10 trending products have already been added in our import list. These are all the products that we can send to our shop store in one click. Let's go back to YesU products. Now suppose this is a product. Now it started showing in your import list. If we click on it, then this page opens here and here is the product that has come here. Now see its description has also come, title has also come, all the things have come. Many times it happens that if we copy the entire data of the supplier's website, the title of the product, description, everything. Then sometimes copyright issue also comes. In this pocket you get AI tool with the help of which you can revive the title. If you can refresh the description of the product, you can use this tool from here if you want. So I want to list this product on my shop store for drop shipping. Look here, there is an option of push to store. As soon as I click on it, this product will be added to my store. I have signed in and Socket has set up this store for me. I will open it in a new tab and see it. So now the store which has opened in front of me is password protected. Even being the owner, I am not able to see it. Now I have not actually become the owner of this store, and that is the reason why it is not opening in front of me. You have to click on your password and then click on Get Started. Now you have become the owner of your shop store. You will also be able to log into the shop account and see your store. So sometimes it happens that suppose your store is password protected and is not opening, then do not panic. Do not miss this step. Your Gmail email address has been successfully verified. Now it is done. I will simply click on it. And then we have to click on Accept Invite and our shop opens. Dashboard. Now by going to the General tab here you can make whatever changes you want. You can also customize your store according to your needs. To change the name of the store, click on this pencil. The editing screen will open in front of you. You can keep the name you want for your store. To change the currency, simply click on these dots. Click on Change Stock Currency. You have to sell in Canadian dollars, sell in GBP, in US dollars, in Indian rupees. You can choose the currency in which you want to list out your products on your store. For now, let's do one thing. We will choose US dollars here. After this, click on Save. By going to Payments, you can choose the payment gateway, etc. Through which payment method you want to take online payments from the customer, you have to take it through Shop Payments. Or do you want to use the product till now? So you see this is the same product. Images have also come. Variations have also come. There is a button for Add to Cart. Pay with. So look here, there is a price section. You can change the price of green color from here. Suppose instead of 6.64 I want to sell this green variation for $8.64. So I simply clicked on this. After this I will click on Save. Okay, now let's refresh this page once again. Okay, so the gray color is for 6.64 cents. But when I choose green color, the price here becomes $8.64. So you can easily set up the price etc. as per your custom. In the same way, first add as many products as you want to the import list. Then from here you will directly click on Push to Store. The products you have will be displayed on the list will keep coming out on the shop store. You do not need to upload images manually, neither do you need to write title, nor description etc. Once again, if I go to the products page, see, another product has come in front of us. Let's preview this product as well. So here you see, here is the same product, all the variations etc. have come here. So this pocket makes your work very easy. You do not need to deal with any kind of technical thing, and there are more than 5 lakh sellers and suppliers on this pocket who can provide you products and also provide fast shipping. That is the reason this pocket is a very great platform for drop shipping. If you want to do international drop shipping, you will find its link in the description of the video. Go there and sign up. Now see, your store is set up with this pocket. Whatever technical things are there will be sorted out. You will also get a supplier. But still you will have to run ads. How will you advertise to get sales? So by setting up a new app, you can get good sales at a low price. If you want to do Facebook signup.in, then this pocket is a perfect solution, and there is a special offer also. By creating a shop store for just $1, you can earn credit up to $10,000. You will get the offer link in the description. So now the time for excuses is over. It is time for action. Financial freedom is at the mercy of your one decision. Start your business today with this pocket. See you in the next video.